field surveyors play a crucial role in the construction industry, providing accurate measurements and data that are essential for designing and building structures. In Gurgaon, a rapidly developing city in India, the demand for field surveyors is high due to the numerous construction projects taking place. These surveyors are responsible for collecting data on land topography, existing structures, and other factors that can affect the design and construction process. With their expertise and knowledge, field surveyors in Gurgaon ensure that construction projects are executed smoothly and efficiently. One important aspect of field surveying in Gurgaon is the use of SCON design. SCON design is a specialized software that enables surveyors to create detailed plans and models of the surveyed areas. This software allows for accurate measurement calculations, visualization of the site layout, and real-time data integration. By using SCON design, field surveyors in Gurgaon can produce precise and comprehensive reports that are crucial for architects, engineers, and project managers to make informed decisions. The city of Bangalore in India is also witnessing significant growth in the construction industry. As a result, the demand for field surveyors is increasing in this region as well. Field surveyors in Bangalore perform similar tasks as their counterparts in Gurgaon, such as collecting data on land features, property boundaries, and existing infrastructure. They use advanced equipment like total stations, DGP devices, and 3D laser scanners to ensure accurate measurements and data collection. In both Gurgaon and Bangalore, field surveyors play a vital role in ensuring that construction projects adhere to local regulations and guidelines. They also help identify potential challenges or obstacles that may arise during the construction process. In the construction business, field surveyors are significant because they provide precise measurements and data that are necessary for designing and constructing projects. Due to the numerous development projects underway in Gurgaon, an Indian city that is quickly rising, there is a strong demand for field surveyors. These surveyors are in charge of gathering information on the topography of the land, existing buildings, and other elements that may have an impact on the planning and building phases. Field surveyors in Gurgaon enable the effective and quick completion of building projects thanks to their experience and knowledge. The application of SCON design is a significant part of field surveying in Gurgaon. With the aid of specialist software called SCON design, surveyors may produce intricate maps and models of the surveyed locations. This software enables precise measurement computations, site layout visualization, and real-time data integration. The exact and thorough reports that field surveyors in Gurgaon can provide utilizing SCON design are essential for architects, engineers, and project managers to make well-informed judgments. In India, the city of